sunsets, follow streams, one life, one chance, come explore.
For some reason, the sound didn't work, so I'll just try to read lips. But we're in Gaeta, and it's a picturesque historic coastal town situated on a promontory in the Lazio region of central Italy. It juts out into the Tyrrhenian Sea. It's celebrated for its mix of natural coastal history, authentic local culture, and deep historical roots that date back to Roman times. Unlike some of the other highly polished tourist destinations on the Italian coast, it's distinctly authentic, lived-in charm with a working fishing harbor and a relaxed atmosphere. We left the ship to try some of the local flavors of Gaeta on mainly a walking tour that immersed us in the town's lively streets and genuine local traditions. We headed toward the center of Gaeta, a picturesque seaside town, medieval alleys, colorful facades, and deep-rooted culinary traditions. We made our way through some narrow streets and lively piazzas. Our guide shared their insights into Gaeta's history, its ties to the sea, and its famous local products that have shaped its identity over the centuries. Along the way, we stopped at selected shops and eateries to sample typical delicacies such as Gaeta's renowned olives, anchovies, and the typical pastry called tiella, filled with local ingredients. We also had the chance to take some focaccia as well. Each stop highlighted the region's general produce and passion of the people for the culture and its flavorful cuisine. Gaeta loves its food, and it's celebrated throughout the year, and it culminates in a very popular street food festival where the town square is filled with aromas and flavors from the best loved recipes. As we walked along, Gaeta offers a relaxed blend of history, nature, and everyday Italian charm, interesting buildings and landscape. Fishing remains a big part of the daily rhythm here, and the cuisine reflects it with very honest flavors like freshly prepared seafood, local olives, and rustic baked specialties. Gaeta is not about ticking off landmarks, but about experiencing a genuine slice of Italian, subtle, welcoming, comfortable, and authentic.
Once we left the beautiful promenade area with the lovely trees, we were brought to the gateway. And just beyond that gateway, you'll see some old stonework and some areas that look like they might have been hollowed out rooms, similar to what you would have seen back in Pompeii. This apparently was part of a noble castle at one time, built by the Romans. What I love about these Italian cities, they don't get rid of any of the artifacts. The other thing we found out when we were walking along the promenade, we found out these beautiful trees, eucalyptus trees, matter of fact, grow like this. They have a hollowed out trunk system at times, and they thrive. It's not due to insects, it's not due to the fact that they're damaged or any lightning damage. It's just is how they grow. And I do believe there was a unique story regarding some of those spaces that grew naturally in the trees. Something about notes being hidden during the war up in the tree trunks, but we can't seem to find anything on that. So that just might be a part of the fun Italian folklore.
Not only is Gaeta a beautiful seaside community, it's also a very important U.S. naval base with the flagship for the Sixth Fleet, which is the USS Whitney, which has been ported there. And we hear that it's getting ready to be retired very shortly.
Hello.
Hello. You tasted also the piella and also in your tasting now.
What was wonderful about this walking food tour is we landed in this little piazza area, and as you've seen, we were all enjoying our unique dishes to the area. But what I found wonderful was the market. They had what looked like heirloom tomatoes, but these beautiful big lemons, and they are so mild. They are so luscious to eat, and I just had to bring home 2 of them. The owner of the shop was so excited for one of the guests to come in and want his lemons that day. I found it so much fun. Then as we were traveling along the areas, what I love about these old towns are the unique architecture. The little areas where you see the tiles and uh, in the walkways and on the walls. And of course, part of the aesthetic is the dilapidated, rough looking stucco and brick that's showing through a lot of these ancient walls. And it's just a part of a wonderful architectural delight. Additionally, look at that meat market. When have we ever seen anything like that in the States?
Following the tastings, we had a short walk back to the pier and concluded our very quick day in Gaeta, Italy.
YOLO Adventure. Live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life.
Thank you for
one
watching,
chance,
and as
come
always, hit that
explore.
subscribe button, that notification
YOLO
bell, and
Adventure.
see all the
There's so
videos
much
we have
more.
coming in the future. Thank you.
YOLO Adventure! YOLO Adventure!
Stars reach for the sky.